Holy shit, boys. Look at this. Today we're going to be changing some spark plugs, and these things are going to be fried because they haven't been changed in a very long time. All right, this bitch is hot as shit, boys. I can't lie. Oh, that sound is so satisfying, though. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Let's see if we can get that to focus, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. What is that in there, bro? Holy shit, boys. Look at this. This thing is, oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. That's why I love this engine, is because it's like not too hard to work on at all. At least for shit like this, I should say. I need to do mine at some point, though. All right, let's see if this thing even starts. Let's get it, baby.